Hi friends, welcome to Mandakini's kitchen. Let's make this beautiful mirror glaze icing. I have already uploaded a video on vanilla sponge cake. Please also watch that video. This is 1 cup of whipping cream. I had removed whipping cream from the freezer and kept it in the fridge one day before, so that we get that correct consistency. The bowl in which we take the whipping cream should be completely dry and there should not be any water content in it. And the blade of the blender also should be dry, otherwise the cream will not come out well. Now let's beat the whipping cream. Start at low speed and increase the speed gradually to the maximum. Cream has become thick now. I'll beat for some more time. It will take about 3 minutes. It is almost done now. You can see the stiff peak on the blade. Now I am going to slice the cake. We don't want the top layer of this cake, so I am going to remove it. Use long serrated knife to slice the cake. Now I am going to slice the cake into 3 parts. First layer I have cut and the second one. Now second slice also I have got. Now I am going to wet all the 3 slices with sugar syrup. Now I am going to do the crumb coating of the cake. I will cover the whole cake with a thin layer of the whipping cream, which will help to settle the cake crumbs. After doing the crumb coating, I am going to keep the cake in the fridge for half an hour to settle. I have trimmed the edge of the cake to make it in round shape. I thought it will be, for mirror glazing, the round edge will look nice. Now I have finished the crumb coating and I am going to keep the cake in the fridge for half an hour. After keeping for half an hour, I have taken out the cake from the fridge. Baking is my hobby and I love baking, and the most interesting part is the icing of the cake. I really love it. Now I am applying the final coating of the whipping cream. I will cover the whole cake with a thick layer of the cream. To make the video short, I am going to be a little faster now. I am leveling the cake using a scraper to get a smooth surface. I have completed the icing. Now I am going to keep the cake in the freezer. Now I am going to prepare the mirror glazing. For that, the ingredients required are 2 tablespoons corn flour, 2 tablespoons powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon milk powder and a 3/4 cup of milk. Now I am going to transfer all the ingredients into a pan and mix it thoroughly so that there is no lumps left, and we get a smooth mixture. Cook it on low flame till the mixture has become thick. Now the mixture is ready and I am going to transfer it into a bowl and cover it with a cling film so that the top layer doesn't dry up. Cover the bowl with a cling film to protect the top layer from drying up. Now I am going to melt half a cup of grated white chocolate using double boiler method. Boil some water in a saucepan and keep the bowl of grated white chocolate over it and then melt. After melting the chocolate, I have mixed that melted chocolate into the corn flour mixture which we prepared earlier, and I am going to sieve it to get a smooth mixture. Now add 2 teaspoons of this mixture into each bowl and keep it aside. I have put 1 drop of yellow color into the first bowl and 1 drop of pink color into the second one. Third bowl I am adding 1 drop of green color, and the fourth one I am adding light blue color. These are the gel colors I am using. I have taken out the cake from the freezer and kept it on a bowl, and I am going to pour the glazing over the cake. The extra glazing will be collected in the plate kept below. Now I will pour the yellow glaze over the cake, which is the base color I have selected. You can make your own color combinations. After pouring all the colors, then you can just run your finger over it and just leave it so it will form its own design. After 1 hour, remove the extra dripping of the glazing from the bottom of the cake using a knife. Now our mirror glazing is complete and I am going to transfer the cake onto a cake board. Now I am going to give a border to our cake using whipping cream and sugar balls. I am using star nozzle to give a border to this cake. If you like this video, please click the like button and give your feedback in the comment box below. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.